Welcome everyone to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to change distance units in the Google Earth app on your phone. This is very useful if you prefer measurements in meters, feet, or other units instead of the default setting. Let's begin the steps. First, open the Google Earth app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top right. Then, from the menu that appears, choose Settings. Scroll down carefully until you reach the section labeled Formats and Units. Then, tap on Distance Unit. You will see a menu with several options, including meters, kilometers, centimeters, feet, and miles. Simply choose the unit that you prefer. Once selected, the app will automatically update all distance measurements to reflect your choice whenever you measure distances or view paths. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.